Hello, guys. Welcome. Yes, just lost my voice. Hmm. So I need to whisper. Okay. Hello. Hi, guys. Welcome back with number 4070 Tectonic with 4 stars in today's newspaper on Wednesday, February the 2nd, 2022. We have here Tectonic with 4 stars for 4 stars puzzle. I need more than 30 minutes or more. And this one has, let me count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 17. Should be an easy one. Okay, let's get started. First question is, can we see here the single box? Because the single box is always a 1. See this single box, always a 1. Then the following question, the dual box. Can we see here dual boxes here? Contains the 1 and the 2. I do not know in which order, so let me mark those 2 boxes. Then the following question, the triple box. I see here the triple box contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. And when you see a triple box, there's the box near the middle box. The inside box is always 4 or a 5, but we already have a 4, so this box should be a 5. More triple boxes, no quadra boxes then. No quadra boxes, that means that we need the following step. We need to recognize some shapes, some figures, structures or constructions. For example, the L shape. Here we have an L shape. Let me draw the L shape. Here we have an L shape. If you see the L shape, this box has always the same number as that box. Okay, so this box has always the same number as that box. More L shapes in this puzzle? No. Then the following puzzle figure. This shape. Let me draw this here. Alright, when you see the L shape, this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Here we have another one upside down. So this box has the same number as that box. Okay, then the following figure. Oh, here, rotated. This box has the same number as that box. Then the following shape. How about this shape? This shape, let me draw this shape here. This shape. This box has the same number as that box. Okay, so this box has the same number as that box. Then the following shape. How about this shape? The last shape. The last figure. Alright. When you see this shape, this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's the 1 or a 2. But we already have a 1 here. So it cannot be a 1. This should be a 2. This box is connected with that box. Should be also a 2. And that box is connected with this box. Should be also a 2. Okay. This box, same number as that box. 1 box left in this dual box for the number 1. Alright, and those are the figures or shapes that you need to recognize. Only 4. We have more, but not in this puzzle. This puzzle we have 4 figures or shapes that you need to recognize. Okay, then the following strategy. Step, by the way, why you need to recognize those shapes, because the next step, it's easy for filling the numbers. So let's get started filling the numbers. These two boxes cannot be a 1. Those two boxes cannot be a 1. That box cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be there. These 3 boxes cannot be a 1. Those 3 boxes surround the 1 cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be there. This box cannot be a 1. That box cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be there. This box is connected with that box, should be also a 1. Okay. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be there. This box is connected with that box, should be also a 1. These 2 boxes cannot be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be there. 2 numbers left in this L shape for the numbers 4 and 5, 4 and 5. Okay, these 3 boxes surround the 5 cannot be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2. That box cannot be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. These 3 boxes surround the 1 cannot be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Let me think. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 3. 1 and 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, the 1 goes there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1. That box cannot be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Yeah. These 2 boxes in this area should be for the numbers 3 and 4. 3 and 4. Okay. This box cannot be a 2. That box cannot be a 2, so 2 could be here, could be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 4. 3 and 4. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 2 and 3. Let me mark those 2 boxes. This box is connected with that box, so also 2 and a 3. But we already have a 3 here, so it cannot be a 3. Should be a 2. This box is connected with that box, so also a 2. 1 box left in this area for the number 3. This box cannot be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. These 3 boxes cannot be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. These 3 boxes cannot be a 1. That box cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be there. And I've eliminated the 5, so the 5 goes there. This box is connected with that box. Okay, 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 4. We have a 3 there, no 3 there, 3 should be here, and the 4 goes there. These 2 boxes can be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 3. 2 and 3, we have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 3 goes there. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, cannot be a 5, yes, definitely a 4. Now we have a 4 here, so this box can't be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4, and this box should be a 3. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. Let me mark those, 3 and 5. those 2 boxes cannot be a 5. This box cannot be a 5, so 1 box left for the 5 should be there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can it be a 4, can it be 5? Yes, definitely a 3. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here and 2 goes there. These 2 boxes can be a 4. That box can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 should be there. And I've eliminated the 5. So the 5 goes there. I've eliminated here the 2. So the 2 goes here. 1 box left in this area for number 3. Now we have a 4 there. So this box can be 4 anymore. That box will be a 4. And this box will be a 3. I think this box should be a 2 because it can be 1. Should be a 2. Can it be 3? Can it be 4? Can it be 5? Yes, definitely 2. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 4. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 4 goes there. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 anymore. That box will be a 3. And this box will be a 5. I think this box will be a 3 because it can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can it be a 4, can it be a 5? Yes, definitely a 3. I think this box should be a 2 because it can be 1, should be a 2, can it be a 3, can it be a 4, can it be a 5? Yes, definitely a 2. This box can be a 4. This box can be a 5, so the 4 and the 5 goes in those 2 boxes. As a pair, 4 and a 5. 1 digit left in this area for number 2. Then. I think this box will be a 5 because it can be 1, can it be 2, can it be a 3? We have a 3 in the same area. Can it be a 4? Yes, definitely a 5. 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 1 and 4. Well, I cannot place the 4 here. Otherwise, I cannot fill any 4 in one of those 2 boxes. So this box should be a 5. And this box should be a 4. Now we have a 5 here, so this box can't be a 5 anymore. That box should be a 5. I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1, can it be 2, should be a 3, can it be a 4, can it be a 5? Yes, definitely a 3. I think, no. Let me see, 1 and a 4. We have a 1 here, so this box can be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 4. Now we have a 4 here, so this box can't be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4, and this box should be a 5. I think. Let me see. I've marked those 2 boxes with a 2. We have a 2 there, so this box can't be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. 2 numbers left in this W area for numbers 1 and 4. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 4 goes there. This box cannot be a 1. That box cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 4. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Finish in 40 minutes. 30 minutes? No. Is this a 4 stars? No. 3 stars? No. 2 stars? No. It's a 1 star. And I like this one. Yes, thank you. Thank you for watching. And I will see you very, very soon. Have a great and fantastic Wednesday. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye.